COMAC, China's aerospace challenger to Boeing. While Boeing faces pressure from China's trade war tactics, there's a rising challenger in the skies, COMAC, China's very own aerospace giant. C919, the aircraft that could change the game. Meet the C919, COMAC's narrow-body aircraft. Designed to rival Boeing's 737 and Airbus A320. With over 1,200 orders already. This aircraft could shift the global balance of aviation. Split screen showing COMAC C919 alongside Boeing 737 MAX and Airbus A320 in flight. Backed by billions in government subsidies. COMAC is poised to break Boeing and Airbus' hold on the Chinese aviation market. China's state-owned airlines are already prioritizing COMAC aircraft. However, COMAC still faces challenges. For now, it relies on Western technology for engines and avionics. But China is quickly developing alternatives to become fully independent. China's goal isn't just about local dominance. COMAC is setting its sights on global markets. Eyeing Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East as key areas for expansion. COMAC's rise could redefine the future of aviation. While it's still in the early stages, its rapid growth and government support signal a potential shakeup in the coming decades. Thanks for watching. This is World Watch Insight.